In this video, I'll tell you how to fix sound on your laptop or PC if it suddenly stopped working. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, right-click the volume icon on the taskbar and open Sound Settings. In the Output section, make sure your laptop or computer speakers are selected because Windows can sometimes switch to the wrong audio device. Also check if the main volume slider is turned up and not sitting at 0. Next, click More Sound Settings and go to the Playback tab. Your speakers should be enabled and set as the default device. After that, open the Speaker Properties and check the Advanced tab. You can try disabling audio enhancements because sometimes enhancements can cause sound problems instead of helping. Now right-click the speaker icon again and open Volume Mixer. Here, check the volume for the specific app you're trying to use because one app can be muted even if the main volume is fine. You can also use the Reset button in the Sound Mixer. If the issue is still not fixed, run the Audio Troubleshooter from Troubleshoot Settings. The final step is updating the speaker driver through Device Manager. After changing or updating the driver, restart your computer. That's the full fix path. Start with the simple sound output and volume settings first because a lot of audio problems are just Windows using the wrong device or muting one app by mistake. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.